Explore the intersection of nature and architecture, modern designs that inspire. Introduction: A harmonious connection. Welcome to Nook Up, where we delve into the captivating world of architecture and interior design. In today's video, we explore the inspiring intersection of nature and architecture, highlighting modern designs that not only enhance aesthetics but also promote well-being and sustainability. As we journey through various innovative projects, you'll see how architects are increasingly drawing inspiration from the natural world, resulting in homes that resonate with their surroundings. If you're passionate about architecture and design, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to join our growing community of design enthusiasts. The philosophy of biophilic design. At the heart of modern architecture that connects with nature is the philosophy of biophilic design. This approach emphasizes our inherent need to connect with the natural environment, fostering a sense of well-being and tranquility. Biophilic design incorporates natural elements, such as light, water, vegetation, and organic materials, into architectural spaces. This can manifest in large windows that frame scenic views, indoor gardens that bring greenery inside, and water features that create calming atmospheres. By embracing these natural elements, The role of natural materials. One of the key components of nature-inspired architecture is the use of natural materials. Wood, stone, and other organic materials not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of a home but also create a tactile connection to the environment. These materials can be sourced locally, reducing the carbon footprint associated with transportation while also supporting local economies. The warmth of wood, the coolness of stone, and the unique textures of natural materials contribute to an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and connection. As we look at designing for natural light. Natural light is a crucial element in connecting architecture to nature. Modern designs often prioritize large windows, skylights, and open floor plans to allow sunlight to flood interiors, creating bright and airy spaces. This not only enhances the aesthetic quality of a home but also improves energy efficiency by reducing the need for artificial lighting. Architects carefully consider orientation and placement to maximize daylight while minimizing glare. The play of light throughout the day can transform a space, influencing mood and functionality. Landscaping as an extension of architecture. The integration of landscape design into architectural planning is essential for creating a cohesive relationship between a home and its environment. Thoughtful landscaping enhances the overall aesthetic and functionality of a space, transforming outdoor areas into extensions of the home. Features such as terraces, gardens, and pathways can seamlessly blend with architectural elements, promoting a sense of continuity. Additionally, native plants can be incorporated to minimize water usage and provide habitats for local wildlife. As we Water features, a vital element. Incorporating water features into architectural designs can significantly enhance the relationship between nature and architecture. From reflecting pools and fountains to natural swimming ponds, water elements bring a sense of calm and serenity to outdoor spaces. The sound of flowing water can create a soothing atmosphere, promoting relaxation and well-being. Additionally, water features can serve as focal points that draw attention and create visual interest. As we delve into specific examples, we'll discuss how architects utilize water not just as a decorative element. Adaptive architecture, responding to the environment. Adaptive architecture is a forward-thinking approach that emphasizes responsiveness to the natural environment. This design philosophy involves creating structures that can adapt to changing climatic conditions, enhancing resilience and sustainability. By incorporating features such as passive heating and cooling, green roofs, and rainwater harvesting systems, architects can design homes that work in harmony with their surroundings. This not only minimizes environmental impact but also promotes a sustainable lifestyle. As we explore various modern designs, we'll see how adaptive architecture Community spaces, fostering connection. Modern architecture also embraces the importance of community and social interaction, often incorporating natural elements into public spaces. Parks, plazas, and community gardens are designed to encourage residents to engage with each other and their surroundings. These spaces often feature native plants, seating areas, and water elements, creating inviting environments for relaxation and socialization. By fostering a sense of community and connection to nature, architects are contributing to healthier, more vibrant The future of nature-inspired architecture. As we look to the future, the integration of nature and architecture will continue to evolve, driven by a growing awareness of environmental sustainability and well-being. Emerging technologies and innovative materials will allow architects to create even more harmonious designs that prioritize ecological balance. Concepts like vertical gardens and living walls are becoming increasingly popular, offering new ways to incorporate greenery into urban environments. The continued exploration of nature-inspired architecture holds the promise of creating spaces that not only Conclusion: embracing the natural world. In conclusion, the intersection of nature and architecture presents a wealth of opportunities for innovation and inspiration. By embracing biophilic design, natural materials, and sustainable practices, architects are creating modern homes that resonate with their surroundings and enhance the well-being of their inhabitants. As we've seen throughout this exploration, the designs that inspire us are those that honor and celebrate the natural world. We encourage you to reflect on how these principles can influence your own living spaces and design choices.